Hey guys, how are we doing today? Come on in here. I'm gonna share something that I observed this week that I found really inspiring, and I'm hoping that you will be inspired also. So a few days ago, I was in a store and this mature couple walked in, a man and a woman, black couple, and I noticed the chemistry between them. There was that obvious respect and love. They walked over, I saw a lady was looking in the refrigerator, checking out ice cream. She looks at the man lovingly. He kisses her on her forehead. I was like, that's so cute. And then they were passing by me, and when they did that, I said, hey, can I say something to you guys?
Stay tuned. I'll be right back with more on this story and the lessons. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Angie Marie, and my channel discusses issues of joy, happiness, such as travel, finances, relationships, money, spirituality. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so happy that you chose to visit this channel again. You are all welcome. We want to encourage positivity, positive vibes, and show people that there's a way to really enjoy their lives. So let's get back to the story.
And then they were passing by me, and when they did that, I said, hey, can I say something to you guys? So they stopped and said, sure. The lady said, sure. So I said, look so great together. Are you married? And the woman, well, she was wearing wedding rings on her wedding finger, and she said, of course we're married. This is my baby. In that accent, that southern accent, this is my baby. And the man was smiling. Then she went on to say, we've been married for 6 years. So I said, oh, congratulations, that's great. But in my mind, I thought they probably knew each other for a lifetime. So she hastened to say, but even though we have been married for 6 years, we've known each other for about 20 years.
I found out other things about them. They're believers, they go to church. But she said we've known each other for about 20 years. One of the things I said was, so did you guys know from the beginning that you were meant to be together? And the gentleman quickly said, oh yeah, I knew she was supposed to be my wife all along. So I said, so what happened? What kept you guys away from tying the knot from 20 years ago? Why did it take 14, 15 years before you finally did this? And the guy looks at the woman as if it was her fault, something was going on with her, and she looked at him and rolled her eyes. Okay, no, this was a brief discourse between us. So then I said, so between that time, before you got married, during that 14, 15 year period, did you guys date? Did you meet, were you involved with other people? And they both said, of course, absolutely. We had other relationships in between, but somehow those relationships did not work out. The man said, I knew from day one that this woman is my wife. And she said, yeah, I knew that he's my baby. Here's what I want to say to someone today. Sometimes we're going through life and we can't see 10 years, 5 years, 15 years ahead of us. We feel discouraged in the now, in the moment, because somehow things do not seem to be going the way we would want. The person we really love seems interested in other people, or they're going around being with and dating other people, but in your spirit, you know that this is the one that's meant for you. Let me tell you something. There's some things you need to do. First of all, take care of yourself. Secondly, trust God and pray that He will bring the person who is for you, the person who is the right fit. Sometimes people have to go through and experience certain things, face their trauma and make their mistakes before they realize that this is in fact the person for me. At the end of the day, when I was finished with that conversation with this couple, I just loved watching them when they held hands, went through the door, left the store. It was just so inspiring to watch them. I did say, hey guys, please continue to inspire. You inspire. And I just wanted to share my thoughts. Don't give up where it comes to love. But while you're going through your heartbreak or your disappointing period, take care of you. Pray, and life will bring you exactly what you need, exactly what is for you.
Sometimes for us to remain joyful, we have to understand the language of separation, even though it may seem difficult. In relationships, communication is key. However, not everyone communicates in the same way or even understands the same language. Sometimes, despite your best efforts to communicate, some individuals might not grasp your intentions, needs, or boundaries. So it's crucial to recognize when your efforts to connect are continuously met with resistance, misunderstanding or even toxicity. And sometimes disconnection have to take place, and believe me, disconnection doesn't always mean failure. It can also mean growth and self-preservation, peace, happiness, and joy. If you find yourself constantly drained, hurt, or compromising your well-being, remember, you deserve happiness and respect in your relationship just as much as anyone else. It doesn't matter what it is. You speak about a particular matter, you've said it once, you've said it twice, after 2 times, it becomes nagging. It's time to disconnect. And the thing is, letting go is also for their benefit. When someone is chasing something that's detrimental to their well-being or is unable to understand the impact of their actions, it often becomes necessary to let them go. By allowing them the space to experience what they're chasing, they can come to their own realizations and grow from their experiences. Sometimes people just need to learn life's lessons on their own terms. All right? And then we focus on self-care. Self-care is very powerful. It's not selfish to prioritize your own mental, emotional, and physical well-being. In fact, it is necessary. It is essential. By letting go of relationships that drain you, you're making room for healthier connections that uplift and support you. So embrace self-care activities, therapy, and spending time with positive influences to nurture your own growth. Set boundaries and communicate. So before completely severing ties, it's worth trying to establish clear boundaries and communicate your feelings one more time. Be honest about how the relationship has been affecting you and what you need moving forward. So while it might not always result in a positive outcome, it shows that you're making every effort to make things work. All right? So sometimes you just have to let it go. Letting it go doesn't make you weak, it makes you strong because you recognize your own worth and you prioritize your well-being. As you continue your journey through life, you'll encounter various people, some of whom might not be meant to stay. So that separation and disconnection can sometimes be the best way to foster growth and understanding, and you'll be opening up yourself for a healthier, more fulfilling life and relationships in the future. And if that is a person who is meant for you, it will work out. They will understand what they lost. And if you are available, then we'll see if it works out. And if you're not available, it's just too bad for them. Finally, guys, pick someone you would be happy to take with you to the store. Take her out, even if it's for ice cream. Stop wasting time and years with people you know is not your spouse. Practice self-care. Trust God. Pray. Ladies, be with the one who is happy and proud to take you to the store and hold your hands. Someone who will smooch you on your forehead, even if it's in the store where others may be seeing. Be respectful. Show respect to him. Don't waste time with people who you know should not be your spouse. Keep each other happy, smiling, and feeling good, both on the inside when you're home and in public. Be affectionate and inspire others. Take it easy. All right, thank you so much for joining me today on this topic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content on peace, joy, happiness, relationships, and your own growth. And we have a lot more to come. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. This is Angie Marie, and I'll see you soon in the next video.